Hi guys, I'm just making a quick little video to show you how to make your own Easter candles, the flameless ones, for your end table or coffee table, anywhere you want to put it. I just went to my local dollar store, bought these flameless candles. They're plastic, and what I done, I already have them made. I bought some Easter stickers and stuck them on. You can't really even tell that it's really stickers. And down here on this shiny foil, what I done was I went to my dollar store, I bought a spool of Easter ribbon, and it had this here along the edges. I tore it off from this edge and I put it all around these candles, and this is what it looks like when I peeled it off. And some of these, like this here, the flowers, they were stickers, but they didn't stick very well. So what I done, I used two-way tape, or what you call double-sided tape. Same thing with the foil. I use double-sided tape because I wouldn't use a hot glue gun, because a lot of times these here are, these here right now are really soft plastic and waxy, so the hot glue would probably melt them. So I use two-way tape. It's the safest way to do it, and it stuck really well. And then now you just got two little lights for your table, and it's that easy and simple. And it makes a nice little thing for your table, especially with the little bunnies on it.